Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got some very exciting news, yo. I am extremely hyped because I've been wanting to do this for a long time now. But while my car is warming up, the Genny is getting some mods done. I am getting stars in the Genesis. The guy I chose, he does the best work. He is nice with it. Let me tell you. Everyone follow Stars Up on the Roof, bro. Right here, Stars Up on the Roof. Add him if you're from Long Island. He will provide the best work. And guarantee you, bro, you will not be upset. Everyone go follow his page and check out his work. So I'll be getting the stars up on the headliner, and then I'm gonna do the pillars as well. So the kit that I got, it's 550 stars if I'm not mistaken. We're just gonna drive out to him. He's gonna get the holes poked. We're just waiting on the Starlight kit to come in because the box they sent was the wrong one. You know, it's whatever. I hate my steering wheel, bro. Yo, nah. Carbon, question mark? Carbon? Maybe if I get a little sponsorship, help me out a bit. Hey, I'll do it. Shifter man's chilling, as usual. Chill guy with a hoodie up, he's a brick out. Your boy's hungry, so I'm getting a bagel and some coffee to wake up because I woke up a little too late and I'm shot and need all that energy. Got stars up on the roof. Yo, say what's good.
What's good, family? How we feel? All right, ready?
Yeah, let's see, bro. Did it in 5 minutes. I just dropped off the headliner. It should be done tomorrow, but this is what we have right now. We're rocking no headliner or panels. Super stoked to see it tomorrow. I'm gonna pull up on him. I'm gonna install it, and I'm just excited, dude, because I've been wanting to have Starlights for a minute now. I didn't get the pillars because the condition of my pillars, if we were to like poke through it just wouldn't have been looking good. I can't wait to see how it looks. We kept it on the top for right now. And if I do want to do in the future on the pillars, then I'll do that. But to be honest, I don't think there's a need to do the pillars later on. I'd rather just keep it more simple and have the top really look crazy. Holy shit.
Yeah, there we go.
That's insane, yo. What? Nah, that shit is crazy, yo. What?
Facts.
Holy crap. Shout out to Dan.
Facts.
Facts.
Stars.
Nah, bro, this is crazy. Look at that, yo. Holy crap. Are you kidding me? So this is only 550 stars we used. I could have done a little bit more if I wanted to, but I think it's perfect. If the video's jumping around from clip to clip, I do apologize. My battery was dead. I thought I packed an extra one, and sure enough, was not in my bag. I wanted to show you guys how we install it and have him like kind of show you how to use the app, stuff like that. But unfortunately, it didn't go as planned because it was snowing like crazy. We tried to get it done super quick, which he did. And then after that, I couldn't really film much. Shout out to Stars Up on the Roof, bro. You are the man. I will leave a few clips here as well of my Genesis and also his Instagram to show you his work.
Roots November. You are now listening to a Delete Society exclusive.
You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I am so
Yeah. Bro, that's how you fucking do stars.
You're
right
really
there.
good, bro.
That's how you fucking do stars.